In this video, guys, I'm going to show you a really good Clickbank method that you can use. And the secret thing about this is, and don't tell nobody I told you, this thing's got high built-in free traffic. So if this sounds good to you and you want to see a really good Clickbank method, it only takes about 15 minutes to set it up. And then you want to stick around and see this whole video. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this thing right now. First of all, for those people that are new and this is your first time to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, well, reach down there below your video right now and click that red subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little notification bell right there beside it so that you can be the first to know when I've uploaded new money-making videos. As you can see right here on the channel, I'm always trying to help you guys bring financial and time freedom into your lives with each and every money-making method that I upload to this channel for you guys. Okay, so go on ahead right now, click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's go ahead and get started in on this right now. Alrighty. Well, first thing we want to do is we want to come over here, of course, to Clickbank. Now, I've already stepped ahead a little bit in this video just to sort of, keep the time down in the video a little bit. But if you don't have an account at Clickbank, you can see it right up here. I'm already on the marketplace page, but it's clickbank.com. Come over. It's free to create an account, guys. Just create your account. It's easy enough to do. They will send you an email confirmation, so get your account verified. Come back, get logged in, click right up here where you see my mouse is on Marketplace right there. Brings you over here to the Marketplace page. Now, for this particular method, this is free to do, 100% free, and should be able to be done from anywhere in the world, because of those of you that can't access Clickbank because it's in the United States and you're in a different country. You can still do this with Digistore24.com. You can use their products and do this same method that I'm going to show you today. So anyways, here at Clickbank, now I've already stepped ahead. You notice it right here in this search engine. You see right here, I've typed in woodworking, but you can do this in any niche that you want to do this in. Alrighty, as you can see, there's all kinds of categories right here, and you can choose whatever category you want and subcategory and whatever product that you want to use to do this. Now, in this particular one, I like woodworking, and I like Ted's Woodworking, as you see right here, and you can make about $64.30, roughly 65 bucks per sale. And what you want to do is, now I can show you the sales page here, guys. It's just a basic video sales letter. It's really good. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff. This is a really good product for people that like to do woodworking, right? Also, what we want to do is, for this particular message, you want to have images. You want to have like a banner type of image or some sort of an image about the size of an Instagram post. So you want to pick a product on, and then like what I did was here is I went over on, I clicked on the affiliate page right here, guys, and it brings you over and it gets you here to where you can see you have all kinds of tools, affiliate resources, and you have custom banners, and so on and so forth. And I clicked on banners here, and it brings us down to these right here. And what I did was I chose this picture right here. So we want to use images. And if your particular product that you like does not have an image on the affiliate page, you can always come over to Canva and create one yourself and get an image off of like Google or Pixabay or something like that, and create an image. And what you, canva.com, as you see right up here in the address bar, guys, this is 100% free to do this. And you sign up for free on Canva, create a design, and when you click on that, you can choose Instagram post. That's about the size of the post that we're going to be using today in this particular method. So you can create an image here to use in the marketing that we're going to be doing today. So, like I said, coming back to Ted's here, woodworking, I chose this image right here. I've already downloaded this image to my computer. I just right-clicked, chose Save Image As, and downloaded it to my computer. And these are basically, these are GIF or embedded images. You see the links here, and some of these are GIF animated and so on and so forth. But all I needed was just an image, and that's all you'll need as well. So when you got your product, which we will come back here a little bit later, and I'll click the promote button here and get my affiliate link just a little bit later here in this method. So you've got your product picked. You've got your image created, right, that you're going to be using for this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to this site right here, It's called We Heart It. You see this right up here? Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's weheartit.com. You see it? We love it, or weheartit.com. And as you can see, that people come here to this site and they post all kinds of images, guys. Look at this. Images of food and just selfies and scenery and just all kinds of neat stuff that people post on here. And this site is like a community. People can like the posts, as you'll see here, if we come down, so on and so forth, and you can see all the different images that people post here. And, well, gee whiz, look at this one right here. This big nasty hamburger here, that looks like a heart attack, doesn't it? But nonetheless, if people can click on any of these images, guys, and it actually looks pretty tasty, by the way, too, even though it looks like a heart attack in a bun, basically, there. But you see that people can click like on it or click a heart and then heart it. And you see this one's got 358 likes or hearts, which, by the way, guys, if you like this video, reach down there right now below the video and give me a thumbs up if you would. It'll help my channel. And actually see if we can't beat this one. It's got 358, so if we can beat this one here, that would be really cool. So just click that thumbs up button if you would. Now let's go ahead and get back to our video here and stuff. But so you can see that people post these things. Now, to show you that Clickbank and or affiliate products are allowed on this site, let's say if I type in here, for example, let's just type lose weight and press enter, and it should come up with lose weight pictures. And if we scroll down here, and you can see all kinds of these different lose weight pictures here, right? So for example, if we just click on one right here, if I click on this one, and you can see that it talks about an amazing Japanese diet and da-da-da-da. It's got hearted that can be liked or whatever. But if somebody clicks on the image, or he's got a link right here, it says learn more. If somebody clicks on that, that is going to bring them over here to, as you can see, it's the ancient Japanese tonic, which is the Okinawa Clickbank product, guys. You see this is the Okinawa flat belly tonic that is on Clickbank. And then they can, of course, people, they can purchase this right off of Clickbank here, as you can see. So, yep, they do allow affiliate products here on this site. So, what you want to do is you want to click login right up here. Or, I'm sorry, not login. Well, you can do the same. It's login or join. It's the same thing, guys. You can join with your Facebook account, your Twitter account, your Google account, or your Apple ID account. And or you can create a local account right here, guys, to join the We Heart It community here. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm just log in with my Google account here. And you can see here now, guys, that I'm all logged in here to my account. And here's all kinds of people posting pictures of all kinds of things again, as you see here, and so on and so forth. So when you get logged in, which, by the way, guys, some of you may be saying, well, what's the big deal about this site? Why would we be using this site to post an image on with our Clickbank product? Well, here's the reason why right here. Here's the big deal. If I come up here on my similar web, guys, you see it right here, and I click on that, it brings it out, and you see right here, we're on weheartit.com on similar web. And if I scroll up here, guys, on this, have a look at this right here. Monthly visits, guys. 8.7 million people come to this site every month to use it and have fun with it and enjoy pictures and to also talk with other people. Like I said, this is sort of a community kind of site and so on and so forth. That's why we're using this site. It's got free, I told you, free built-in high amount of traffic, right? And as you just saw, it certainly is. So what we want to do is click on new post right here, guys. So if we click on new post, and it brings this up right here, and we want to post an image, or you can write an article if you want, and or you can even post a URL or a website address as well too. But we're working on posting an image. So I'm going to click here, post an image, and it wants us to choose a file here. So click on that. It's going to bring up my computer, and if I come to my downloads, I have this right here. And so there we go. It's Ted's Woodworking, as you see right there, guys. And choose a collection, I don't know, quotes and text. We can put it in there. Edit the image, say something about it. Some free plans, woodworking plans, to try out when they sign up on Ted's Woodworking. So get your free woodworking templates. We'll say templates. Free woodworking templates while checking this out. And we'll just put that there. And then we want to add some tags. So, of course, it would be woodworking, right? Let's see, shop tools, right? That would work. And just put in wood. Anything that you can think that people would type into the search engine here, right up here on the site right here, guys, that would bring your pin up on their screen so they could see it, right? Let's just put tools, and so that should be good right there. Add so hardware can find your image. So we will customize an action button for this. And now it says right here the button label is learn more on the button label. The destination URL, guys, that's going to be our Clickbank affiliate link here, right? So I'm going to come back here and click on promote, as you see here. And we want to make sure that our Clickbank account nickname is in the box here. Now you could put a tracking ID optional here if you wanted, and then I'm going to leave it on the default. You got the video with text landing page here too. So I'm going to leave it on the default right here. Just click generate hop links, and you see it's got the Clickbank link right there. And if I just click on that, and I don't believe that we need to shorten it up or anything like that because it's going to be on the image. So we'll just paste it right in there just like that, and we can have a custom label, which is optional, and I'm not going to worry about that. We're just going to go ahead now. We've got our affiliate link in there. We got our button labeled as learn more, and our tags and our little description, and it's going to be in the quotes and text area, and we'll just click post. And then once you click post, that should post it right up, and there it is, and you can see it right there, guys. Now if anybody was to click on the image here, or they can click on learn more right here, and that should, and it sure enough does, it brings us right over to the Clickbank page where they can purchase this particular product. And then that's what it look, guys. Check this out already. Look here, it's 2 hearts already. I just posted this 3 seconds ago, and it's already got 2 people have liked it. Alrighty, guys, well, yeah, if you like this video, that's the method I had for you. Reach down there and do the same thing they did. Give me a thumbs up and a like on this video, guys. Guys, that's what I had for you today. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Click that notification bell. And leave any comments or questions down below the video here. And I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to see a good blueprint for affiliate marketing success, you want to click down there. It's a free video. Click down there below in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com. And come over and see my free video that'll show you a real blueprint for affiliate success that's helping me and many other people in affiliate marketing. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.